Good grief, Charlie Brown. We finally found a bulb in there that works. That's a regular incandescent. See how the neck of it goes up further? Now I'm going to try to screw that on there, and we'll see if it works or not. I've got some electrical tape here. Cause see, it's kind of shady over here. Okay, now it's not working, but I'm going to put some masking tape over this eye and see if it goes on. Sometimes you might think, I'll just put my hand over it, but then you want to get it dark all the way. And that's blue tape. I've seen electricians put electrical tape over there, which is black. And so I'm going to put 2 layers on here to see if it goes on, and if it doesn't go on, then chances are that means this light fixture is not working properly. Because we just turned this light bulb on, we know for a fact that it works. Now this thing should go on.
When?
Well, it should go on. I don't know. I'm going to try 30 seconds or so. But if it does not go on, it could mean that there's a part, an igniter switch or something inside that seeing eye, that, you know, where the blue tape is. There might be something bad inside of there, which is wired intricately. Say that 5 times fast. With the light fixture itself. And so this light may never be able to turn on. I hate to tell you that, Laura. No. You might have to get a different light fixture there and put something else up there, maybe just a standard one that's tied into the light switch. Phooey on this little photocell thing. Every time you get something with a photocell, it always seems like something happens later on. Hey, hop, hep, oh! Look at that. Little Miss Negative Nancy talking here. I'm talking about myself. You see there? There was no tricks. That's just how long it took. And now I'm going to take off the electrical tape. We're going to see if that turns off. See, we're kind of in the shade here. The sun is out shining, but it's kind of shady underneath here. I'm going to take that off. I'm kind of curious to see if it's going to shut off or not. Photocell is now undone with the tape, and we're going to give it just a few seconds here to see if it goes off. It may not go off, and if you have something like this, you're just going to have to try it for your house. See, this is on the opposite side of the house. It's in the shade. Up there it went off. See there? Yeah. That photocell is working properly. Wow, that's pretty cool. We got her fixed just like that. It's working. Now if we turn the light switch off inside, obviously it's not going to go back on when it's dark. And once it's dark enough, that photocell will then turn that light bulb on, and if you have that light switch on all night, it'll stay on all night. Okay? If you want to get a light fixture like that, have at it. So now I can mark that off my list, unless she wants me to put a plug over that hole right there with the threads. Next time we're at the store, we'll get one and we'll screw her in there. Because if you leave that open, you can get ants in there, you can get a wasp nest in there, little bugs. I mean, anything can start living in there. They can start chewing on your wire nuts, your electrical wire. You know, the plastic around there, the rubber around your wires. It just wouldn't be a good sight. So cover those holes up. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.